Hello, you're listening to a We Will Fix It podcast short with Colin Thomas and myself, James Pikeaway.
Water.
So the point of this, actually, the reason this came into up in conversation was I was talking with Glenn, PowerWorks.
Yeah.
We talk cars, and he was talking about the water damage at his home, and there were multiple topics came up in that. The We Will Fix It guys came in to do some repairs. They couldn't finish the repairs because DWA has to do its part and drying has to occur. And I just listened to him go, what a mess.
Yeah. I mean, if you imagine from our perspective, things get a little bit painful along the way.
And you get people on the phone going, I need this done. I need this done.
Yeah. We have no power.
We have no power. That means your refrigerator's not working. You can't charge your devices. Oh, I've got an electric car. I can't charge it. And the list goes on. And I got to go to work. Need blow dry. Oh, no hot water now. And the water's pretty cold.
So from our perspective, where it gets particularly painful is in the past, we're like, rain, hallelujah, here we go.
Yeah.
And that's fine when you've got just the We Will Fix It business. Where it gets more complex is when you have 700 essential maintenance annual contract holders that have within their contracts that within 90 minutes of a total electrical failure on any particular floor level, we will be with them. You then end up at a scenario where we've got a major commitment.
Yeah.
And we haven't got currently in our contract, we're putting it in soon, natural, effects of God or whatever they call it, the official terminology. Which
acts of
God. There we go. The
natural disasters not covered.
Yeah, well, it's down to it's just the response time that's the issue.
Okay. So covered, but it's going to take us longer.
So
than
we
90
could
minutes.
have worst case scenario, we could have 700 people calling us and requiring us to be there within 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Now, from our perspective, what it's actually done is it's made us scramble in a very efficient way to make sure that we have that resource available, and we are micro watching the weather to see what's coming in the next hour or two and moving jobs around to allow for that.